In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to obey. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we completed the chapter that was known as semiotics. Listeners and audience, today we are going to open the new chapter in linguistics, and it is known as psycholinguistics. What is psycholinguistics? What does psycholinguistics tell us? And also, what are some examples to know psycholinguistics? Listeners and audience, psycholinguistics is the combination of two words. The first word is psycho and the second word is linguistics. Psycho means mind or brain, and linguistics mean the scientific study of language. Now, whenever we are talking about psycholinguistics, psycholinguistics is the study of the relationship between language and brain. So the relationship between language and brain is called psycholinguistics. Listeners and audience, psycholinguistics deals that how language is perceived, produced, and acquired. So it is the study of the reception, perception, production, and acquisition of language. In other words, psycholinguistics deals that how language is comprehended, acquired, and produced. So it is the comprehension, production, as well as the acquisition of language, that how language is acquired, produced, and comprehended. First of all, let me tell you about the comprehension. It deals that how language is comprehended. So, listeners and audience, first of all, you see, whenever we are comprehending a language, so comprehending here means understanding. How we understand a language? It may be in written form or in spoken form. For example, there are some written words which are written on the board. So first of all, how you understand it? You look at the words, then the meanings of the words, then you combine those words to make sentences, and after that you deduce and derive meaning from it. So psycholinguistic is the study of the comprehension of the words, that how you comprehend the language. Connected to this, it also deals that how we produce language. How we produce language? We produce language when we listen to something. We produce language when we write something. We produce language when we perceive something. So if you read some things, you understand them, definitely you would have respond to them. You would have a reaction to them. And then we have acquisition. Acquisition means that how children, they acquire their first language. There are different theories we will discuss. Like how children acquire their first language. Take the example of LAD, for example, language acquisition device. According to Noam Chomsky, the language acquisition device is already fitted in the mind of human being. So stage by stage, human beings acquire language. However, we will further explain them in detail, that what is learning, what is acquisition, what is innate theory, and what are some other theories which are related to psycholinguistics. It is only the definition of psycholinguistics with example. Hope that this topic is clear to you. Thank you.